Hello guys, to this video we calibrate brake swing control unit for starboard side telegraph. First, main engine stop and start block. Then change to brake control. Then hanapin natin yung end command to transfer brake swing control unit to starboard side. Ayan guys, makikita nyo siya. Then main menu. I-key natin yung password, then enter, then move cursor to choose the calibration lever, then enter. Ayan guys, yung deviation nya 2.5 cm. Lagay natin yung telegraph sa full astern, set natin siya sa -100. Ayan guys, then enter. Then next is full astern, then enter. Then next is half astern, then enter. Then slow astern, then enter. Then dead slow astern, then enter. Then stop engine. So now the telegraph is 0. Then we test the dead slow ahead, enter. Then slow ahead, then enter. Half ahead, then enter. Then navigational full ahead first. Then after the full ahead is navigational full 100%. Then enter. Then go to fourth side, same procedure to starboard side. Yan. Telegraph must be put to stop, then enter to 0. Then full, then slow ahead, slow ahead, half ahead, full, navigational full. Yan guys, ganoon lang guys pagka-calibrate ng telegraph. Enter nyo lang pag nag-match yung telegraph sa monitor guys, kung ilang percent yung naka-indicate. Enter nyo lang. Ayan guys, 76 full ahead, then navigational full, enter. Ayan guys, yan 100. Pwede na natin siyang i-stop. Guys, stop na siya. Then escape, set, and enter. Calibration is done. Ayan guys, sana makatulong tong video na ito, how to calibrate brake swing telegraph for the starboard side. Thank you.